Never eat packet pasta again with the Lamar Pasta Maker. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, and you'll find the Noodle Maker. 8 different pasta mold discs, 2 measuring cups, a ravioli cutter, a scraper, and a pasta recipe book. The different molds can be used to create virtually any type of pasta shape possible. Simply pour in a cup of flour, close the lid, and select the 1 or 2 cup setting. Then in the top-mounted lid, pour a combination of water, oil, eggs, or any other flavoring depending on the type of noodle you want to make. Press the mix button and watch as your noodle dough is kneaded automatically. While you should always aim to follow the recipe, if you find your mixture is too dry or too wet, you can always adjust with a little extra water or flour. Once you've got a nice even texture, press the extrude button and watch as your noodles slowly press out like something from a Play-Doh kit. In less than 10 minutes, you're able to make 2 to 3 servings of the freshest pasta on the planet. No need to dry or set. These noodles can go straight into boiling water and be ready to eat in just a few minutes. Not bad if I say so myself. When it's time to clean up, simply tap the mold to remove any excess flour, and all removable parts can be washed in the dishwasher. So, what do we like about the Lamar Pasta Maker? The build itself feels robust, durable, and well put together. Making pasta dough is fairly straightforward, and with a little trial and error, we were able to make the perfect noodle. It also has to be said how fast you can make a full serving of pasta. From prep to plate in under 15 minutes is just incredible. So, what don't we like? The instruction manual, well, it may as well have been written in another language. It's definitely not clear, with missing steps and sections that make no sense at all. You might also have problems with the recipe book if you aren't fluent in the metric system. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Lamar Pasta Maker? Makes amazing fresh pasta in minutes. It does everything as advertised. It's easy to use and pretty easy to clean. Just make sure you're brushed up on the metric system. We're giving it an 8 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $163.99, or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.